one of the most memorable aspects in our life. As part of our vision to have a holistic growth for our senior high school students, we have to include everyone. As the saying goes, it takes a village to raise a child. So when it comes to helping our senior high school students, everyone have to take part, like the parents or the guardians, the faculty members, our staff, and even our partners during the senior high school's immersion.
Ang bagong Pilipinas may be a dream for many, but with the power of unity, we will mold it into reality. Sabi nga sa kanta ni Mr. Austria, marami pang pagdaraanan, malayo pa ang pupuntahan. Pero, kaya na.
I want you to remember this. Life will not go according to your plan. There will be delays, rejection, and days that feel like they are moving too fast for you to keep up. Every step you take, no matter how uncertain, still bring you closer to where you're meant to be.
May importante at pinakamahalagang tao ang dapat nating pasalamatan sa ngayon. Mga taong ginawang umaga ang gabi, gabi sa umaga, kumita lamang ng salapi at pera, mapag-aral lang kayo. At maging sa araw-araw na pagkain ninyo ay kailanman ay hindi pumalya. Mga taong nag-aalala kung minsan ginagabi kayo, hindi alam kung nasaan kayo. Mga taong sa sobrang pagmamahal at pag-aalala sa inyo ay hindi alam ang gagawin, maplano lamang ang magandang future ninyo. Mga magsisipagtapos, mga kaibigan, gamitin natin ang pagkakataon na ito upang pasalamatan ang inyong mga magulang. Palakpak na malakas sa mga magulang. Nanay, tatay, o siya sige, mami, daddy, mama, o siya, papa. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po sa tiyaga. Alay ko po sa inyo ang diplomang matatanggap ko. Mahal ko po kayo.
Take a moment to cherish all of the friendships that you have built and the memories you have created together. Know that you are not merely a graduating class, but a force for change, ready to shape our nation in beautiful, diverse ways. Each one of you as awe-inspiring as the other. Each one a partner for the new Philippines.
Congratulations, syempre, for striving hard for 2 years. We are hoping that you enjoy your senior high school years sa Philippine Christian University, and sana baunin nyo lahat ng mga memories na nabuo sa 2 taon na pag-stay ninyo sa PCU, and palagi nyong dadalahin ang core values natin saan man tayo makarating, especially yung character. Congratulations!
Always look back where you came from and to always thank God for everything that you have. And of course, thank your parents kasi without them or kung sino man yung nagpapaaral at nag-i-inspire sa inyo na magpatuloy, your guardian or your family, you should always thank them and not take them for granted.